There we go. So good morning. We are here visiting Central Park today, and as you can see, I'm working on this gimbal stuff. See, we're gonna walk around.
Immaculate and looks so wonderful. You can see down in the description below.
Awesome. So we're just here in Central Park, Fifth Avenue subway. As you can see, we're just gonna walk around the park a little bit. And yes, this looks like a movie. It looks like we are in a movie.
And
Or
you have to have the resting jerk face so people don't keep offering you
Like,
stuff.
yeah.
It works well.
and the plaza is right on the back. I believe that's the plaza. That's the movie The Bride Wars, where they both want to get married at the same day at the plaza. So they fight the entire movie, and there's a scene where Kate Hudson goes as like she goes get her hair done, and one of the pranks is she get her hair dyed blue. So she goes and she said, "My hair is blue! It's blue!" It's my favorite scene of the movie. Love it. Love it. So we're walking around pretending that we are in a movie right now. Josh is already mad, so it's fine.
Alright, now we're in Central Park, walking there.
There we go. Welcome to Central Park.
So the bass clarinet uses the same reed as the tenor sax. They make different reeds. So I'm not nervous about being in the water.
Good.
Alright, so there is a movie that I like very much that is called Down to Earth, which is Fred Prinze Jr. and Julie Stiles. That they have a scene, which I believe it was filmed here, where she thinks that she is pregnant. And I think I found it. I will look it up and see. But I'm pretty sure it was this.
have a charger with it.
Okay, now I'm gonna turn this off.
Como tomó en Taiwán.
No, no, rapidito.
Dale.
Ya, que luego me llora.
So one thing I've noticed, and being from America, you think Central Park, pretty small, probably just a little square in the city block. This place is huge. I mean, we've just shown you a small area, and we've been walking for 10-15 minutes, and we showed you like 3 minutes of it. But it's gorgeous out here, and I mean, seriously, we've come from over here, and we just have to go way over here. I mean, it's huge. Yeah, there you go, Pioneers for Women's Rights.
One of the questions of the citizenship was, who was Susan B. Anthony? So what did she fought for? I was like, oh my god. Oh. So this is the women's rights pioneer statue. Over here. You're good.
Fitzgreen Halleck. Well, because of his ink pen right there, I take it he's a fancy writer. Look at his expression.
Alright, cool. We just figured out where we were now, and we are literally in the middle of Central Park. That's how much we walk. We came from over here, 57. We came from here, and now we are all the way in the middle.
Keep going. Keep scrolling so they
How
can
big
see.
that is. Look at that. Look at that. See, we are in the middle, so we walked a lot.
If that.
No, actually.
Not
yeah,
even.
Not even. We are.
We walked for 10 or 15 minutes straight.
Actually, the middle is right here.
So to tell you how big Central Park really is, it's 2.5 miles long and half a mile wide. So that's just huge. I never imagined it would be that. So probably most of you are going, oh my God, because, you know, we picture just a square in the city and that's about all, you know, maybe half mile. No, it's huge.
It's the same size of Denver.
Pretty much.
It's just like I could cross a whole Denver and then still not that big. I know.